Boom! What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the trucking journey. I'm Trucker Jim, and it is a beautiful but chilly Tuesday morning in South Carolina. I'm in Union at a place called G-Stamp. Haven't been here before, but this is something to do with the Volvo account. I'm going to be taking this to the new Volvo plant near Charleston, so I thought that would be pretty cool. But what's not cool is I've been waiting here since about 8 o'clock. I feel like I'm all in the way. The docks aren't very far away. Check-in's right over here. She got the trailer number I'm attached to and says somebody will come let me know what to do. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to back up to these tight docks over here across from these racks, or it would be awesome if there's a loaded trailer over here. I saw there's a yard with some trailers. I haven't went over there to investigate, but a delayed drop and hook would be better than a live load, and we will get on the road. And today may just be shower day. I don't know. It's getting Tuesday. I showered Sunday morning at the terminal before I left. So, I don't know. We might can make it to tomorrow. Well, I'm still here at the place that's going to Volvo, along with lots of other trucks and several other G&P drivers. For you guys that come here, I said the name of the place earlier, you don't really want to do like I did. I've been in the way of some of these, but I can't really get out yet. There's a line of probably 6 other G&P trucks behind me. I don't know what's taking so long this morning. But when I eventually do get to back to a door, I'm gonna have to do like this KW here and blind side in, what the last driver had to do. So I'm gonna help one of my own and spot for this guy, okay? He is in there. But we got to help each other out here. And then also the kind of polite thing to do here, because that's tight, is just go ahead and unhook from your trailer while they are loading it. But I was talking to another G&P driver that's been doing this a while, and I was thinking, dang, I've been here like 3 hours already. It's like 168 miles, but supposedly there's a minimum daily guarantee for when you're working on Volvo, somewhere between like 215 and maybe as high as 250, depending upon your seniority. So I'm gonna call dispatch. while I'm waiting to get loaded, I will show you guys something. In this International LT, which I will be doing a full review of, it has a window back here. So I took the cover off to blindside and also remove my TV. Now some of these trucks will come with like a flat screen mount right here. Mine came with like a strap where I guess I could strap an old school TV down or whatever, which I'm not interested in doing. But what I've done is carefully installed some Velcro back here, and I've also carefully installed the opposite of the Velcro back here so I can just stick my TV there. And as long as your Velcro is nice and secure, it will stay. I take it down occasionally if I need to blindside, otherwise it just stays up when I'm going down the road. But that is just a brief little tour. I'm getting a phone call. Alright, I am back in the truck. I just ran into Carlos Madrid from Jacksonville that was here. But I'm going back to Union, the same place I was this morning with an empty trailer, and I can't pick it up until tomorrow morning. So, and I haven't taken a break yet, so there's something I'm about to do. You guys know what I like to do when I put these blue gloves on? Well, I touch meat. In this case, it is grass-fed ground hamburger meat. But I don't like getting this stuff on my hands, so I use a glove. So now we have a full-size hamburger patty that is going to be my lunch. I don't know if I've showed you guys this, but this International, it has a paper towel holder. And it works really good. See how it rolls? And boop, paper towel. Almost. It's time to start another drive shift, people. It's about 7 a.m. I'm in Newberry at the Loves. I've taken me a shower. I've got some clean clothes on. And I'm headed back to the same place I was at a really long time yesterday. Hopefully it won't be as long today, but there's quite a few other G&P drivers there. Apparently this Volvo account is going to be a pretty good one for us. I don't know the exact number of loads per week, but it's more than just a couple. I'll tell you that. Let's try our coffee. That's good coffee. It's hot too. Well, people, there's nothing left to do but get moving. So you ready to get back trucking? The Jordan Peterson book hasn't exactly been a page turner as of yet, but I will make it through. I like watching them on YouTube too. Been watching a lot of Tony Robbins on YouTube. Been watching some Jim Rohn on YouTube. YouTube videos that like I've watched, I've liked, that I've given a thumbs up to. If you go to my channel and go to playlist, you know, I've got, you know, the Trucking Journey videos broken down 1, 2, 3 seasons. There's some bonus material. There's a little bit of truck driver training, you know, videos, but there's also the like videos. And if you go through the like videos, you will see some of the ones that I just mentioned. And for those of you that are interested in making 2019 the best year you've ever had, no matter what the economy's doing, what's going on in politics, that stuff's irrelevant, okay? I mean, it matters, but it don't. Well, it don't matter to the man who has goals, because the man who has goals that is focused will find a way to win, find a way to materialize his inner desire. And for those of you that are really wanting to do that, now is the time to start preparing to set your goals and your action plan and your game plan, whatever you want to call it. For you know, the beginning of the year is always a good time to do it, but the prep work starts now. Getting your mind right starts now. Attracting the energy you need to do amazing things, you know when that starts? It starts now. One of the best books you can read, or that you know, if you would rather listen to it while you drive, one of the like videos, it's a little ways down and there's like a series of music on there, because I was liking the YouTube music app. I didn't know that was going to throw it to my YouTube likes, but they're pretty good songs. But I don't know if music is what we need right now. Sometimes it is, because that gives us a little fire in the belly and a little inspiration. But anyway, the one I was talking about, it's like 3 hours long. It's called Think and Grow Rich. It's by Napoleon Hill. It's classic. Classic. More like self-made millionaires will probably attribute their success more to that book than probably any other book ever written. I mean, you know, maybe some will say the Bible. I know I'll get some comments in this regarding that. But it is strong, strong stuff. And if you want to make a big difference, want to elevate your income, that may be a good place to start. You can listen to it, absorb it while you drive. But I think I've got probably enough time to edit this video, guys. But let me know what type of content you guys would like to see in the future. And I know at the end of the day, you guys get whatever I decide to create, but your input is always important to me. So in the comments, any kind of, I don't know, ideas or things I've done in the past that you'd like to see, you know, a part of future videos, let me know. But these are some videos I'm working on and planning now, preparing to set goals for 2019, which we kind of just talked about that a little bit. The International ALT, that's definitely going to be a video coming up. I think I might want to wash the truck before I do all that. But I do have some pictures and videos already. But I'm going to be putting together a Trucker Jim trailer, for a little trailer for my channel. And the first 3 seasons of Trucker Jim's Trucking Journey, which I think that'll be cool. And well, the expectation it will attract a whole bunch of new people to the channel. Now this is my big passion. This is going to be a lot more than a YouTube video, but the greatest salesman in the world, which 3 stories will be going on. It's going to be absolutely epic. And the reason I'm doing all the things I'm doing now is to give myself the skill set and develop the relationships of the people I have not met yet that can help me with this project. And probably next year I'll do this as the media director, but I'm already starting to plan it out. But the ultimate how to back an 18-wheeler video, that's going to be cool. And I'm thinking the first video to go up on GMP's YouTube channel is GMP Trucking on YouTube. Is you know, kind of laying the expectations of what you can expect from that channel. Which is it going to be a recruiting tool? Sure, it most certainly is, but the way it's going to be a recruiting tool is just going to show how awesome we are and how this is like a really good idea as far as a good way to communicate with the drivers. I know there's going to be some resistance from, you know, a lot of the old timers that say, you know, they've got a flip phone or something, but you know, that's my job, is to figure that out. So I'm looking very, very forward to January. But it ain't here yet. We got to end 2018 strong so we can have long-term success out of 2019, guys. But it's dark back here. Let's let a little light in on the subject. But there will definitely be a review of this truck inside out. I'll do the specs. It'll be super prepared. You guys are gonna love it. But any other ideas you guys have, drop them in there. Would love to hear from you. But everyone, I'm out. I'm gonna do one of the things I love to do and edit this video, and it's just for you guys. That's right, so get excited. But I will see all of you next time. But until then, be safe out there and keep on trucking.
Everybody going through a little something, something.